In front of me is Itel S24 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple Layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll to hit App Management. Then tap on Default Apps. Click on Home App and select Launcher Pro by clicking on it. Choose Allow in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to the default one, you can always go back to the same settings. To make some changes in Apple Launcher though, you can always access Launcher app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!